How to make your photo brighter using your mobile phone. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about that how to brighter your photo. As you can check out, this cow's photo is darker side and this is on brighter side. Then how you can edit this type of photo or any kind of photo in your mobile phone. Doing this in mobile phone is very easy. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to enter in our mobile phone. First of all, we have to go to the gallery and choose the photo we want to edit. And after that, we have to find out the edit tool or pencil icon over here. And after that, if your mobile phone has this auto brightness option, you can choose this one. As you can check out, wow, it's already changed. But if you want to make more changes, go to the adjustment option, brightness option, and you can increase the brightness as you want and save the photo according to yourself and enjoy. That's the way how you can easily increase the brightness of your photo. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.